Looking for a fun indoor activity in Berlin? Come with us to LEGOLAND Discovery Centre Berlin, where millions of Lego bricks, exciting rides, creative play zones, and a 4D cinema promise hours of family entertainment perfect for rainy days and cold winter weather. Located at Potsdamer Platz, LEGOLAND Discovery Centre Berlin is designed especially for families with young children and offers over 10 interactive attractions under one roof. One of the highlights is MINILAND Berlin, where famous landmarks like the Brandenburg Gate, Reichstag, Berlin Cathedral, and TV Tower have been recreated using thousands of Lego bricks. Look closely and you'll spot moving trains, vehicles, and plenty of hidden details. Kids can enjoy family friendly rides like the Dragon Ride, which takes visitors through a magical castle adventure, and Merlin's Apprentice, where pedaling faster helps you fly higher. There are also plenty of hands on play areas. Build and race your own Lego cars in Lego Racers, train like a ninja in NINJAGO City Adventure, explore the Dino Explorer Zone, or get creative in the Model Builder Workshop. Younger visitors have their own dedicated DUPLO play area. Another fun stop is the Lego Factory Tour, where you can discover how Lego bricks are made. And don't miss the 4D cinema. These short 10 to 12-minute movies combine Lego stories with special effects like wind, rain, snow, and sound effects that make you feel part of the action. New shows run regularly throughout the day, making it easy to catch one during your visit. Plan to spend around 2 to 3 hours here to experience everything. It's an excellent option when the weather isn't ideal, whether it's raining, snowing, or simply too cold to explore Berlin outdoors. Booking tickets online in advance can help save time, especially during weekends and school holidays. LEGOLAND Discovery Centre Berlin is the perfect mix of creativity, fun, and adventure for the whole family. If you're visiting Berlin with kids, it's definitely worth adding to your itinerary, especially when you're looking for an exciting indoor attraction. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Till then, bye.